I am Taylor Miller, presenting a solution to a problem surrounding access to the center of the city of Mobile, Alabama, the Bankhead Tunnel. The tunnel has a 12-foot height restriction, and despite safeguards, oversized vehicles continue to crash into the entrances of the tunnel. The collisions cause delays from detours and disrupt travel and commerce within the city. The Redwater Wall is designed to incorporate with the existing system. Installed sensors will trigger the system to actuate a valve to release common pressurized water through a gasket to form the water into a thin sheet. Simultaneously, an electric switch will activate a red LED light bar that is installed to accent the sheet of water. When the system is activated, an alarm alerts the Alabama Department of Transportation that a violation has occurred. Employees monitoring the system through installed cameras will deactivate the system when there is no more threat of a collision. This system, once proven, will reinforce safety for travelers and stability for local businesses.